In this video, I would like to share what I believe are the top 5 marketing tactics every dealership should implement right now. No fluff, no pie-in-the-sky technology, just proven tactics that can help improve your sales volume. Marketing strategy number 1, you need to own local search with your Google business profile. This is the fastest and easiest way for you to get found on the world's #1 search engine. And it is so simple for you to get involved. If you haven't done it yet, claim and verify your page and then go to work filling out the description, adding in all those URLs that take people back to your website. Then start creating a system for regular, consistent updates and posts. Once you start participating with this platform, Google will reward you with improved local search results. And the best part of this, it is totally free. Marketing strategy number 2, jumpstart your local search results with a highly targeted paid search campaign. Now, I will be the first to admit that a search campaign can empty your bank account if you let it, but you can create a highly targeted, hyper-local search campaign and keep that budget well under control. I'd advise you to start small. Pick a product line, win that battle, then layer on another line as you get successful. Which leads me to marketing strategy number 3, launch that retargeting campaign. Consumers spend an enormous amount of time researching, comparing, and looking at products online. And as good as you think you are, they will forget about you. A retargeting campaign will allow you to stay top of mind and basically stalk potential customers every time they go online. And the best part of this, these are consumers who have already expressed an interest in you by visiting your website or social media page. So why not keep inviting them to come on back? Strategy number 4, it is time to start handing out video. You know, consumers have been shouting for years, give us video. Why not just start giving them what they want? With competition fierce and attention spans incredibly low, video can provide you with a great way to reach your buyers. And they have already told us what they want when it comes to automotive. Walk around videos, virtual test drives, product comparisons. I know, producing a video takes a little bit of time and a little bit of cash, but it doesn't have to be a Hollywood production. A good smartphone, a GoPro, and a tripod, and you are in business. Once you have produced that content, publish it everywhere. And since we're running out of time, let's wrap it up with strategy number 5, launch a paid video campaign. You know, video is the most consumed medium out there, and a paid video campaign will help bring your dealership and your people to life. And just like local search, you can start really small. For a few pennies a view, you can run video ads across YouTube, Google's Video Partner Network, Facebook, Instagram. And once that cash starts coming in, you can then expand to Hulu, streaming TV, or connected TV. So there you have it. My top 5 automotive marketing strategies that I believe every dealer should be implementing right now.